Hey guys, how are you doing? So welcome to this week's edition of Forex Forecast. I come on here every week to give you guys 5 high probability trades, and of course you guys know my track record. 75% of the trades I analyze for you guys every single week plays out exactly the same way that I predict that they actually play out in the market. You can go check my antecedents, check my videos, check all my weekly analysis, and I compare with your charts to prove what I'm saying to you guys. I know what I'm saying, okay? I have about 7 years experience. By August, around July, August, I'll be 7 years experienced trader in the market. So I know how these things work, and I've been making money from this market. Okay, so the analysis I give you guys here are top-notch analysis, okay? So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out on all my juicy analysis, and also click the notification icon so that every single weekend I do these videos I do not get to miss out. Okay, and of course give this video a thumbs up, like right now give this video a thumbs up. What are you guys waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up, man. So let's keep going. So last week was very interesting in the market. We had a lot of volatility because of the core CPI and a lot of other news that came out last week. So this week we're entering is going to be really amazing too, because we have like lesser news events but very strong news events on Wednesday and on Friday. Okay, we have the core CPI, the CPI on GBP, and that's like it's not a very strong news anyway on the GBP, you know, just unlike the USD. But however, on Friday is a very amazing. There are lineup of news events coming up on Friday for the GBP. Okay, so those are like the two major news events that we have coming up on next week. Okay, so there are 5 amazing opportunities I want to show it to you guys next week. So GBP USD give us a very bearish run on Friday. Okay, it was bullish all the way from Monday. Then on Friday, I mean, it retraced all the way, almost 70% of all the bullish run it met throughout last week. Okay, so my analysis on GBP is very simple. I have a bearish bias on GBP USD. Let me remove this and show you guys what I'm looking out for. So let's start from a weekly time frame. So this zone that you're actually seeing GBP, this zone right here, let me mark it out with let me use horizontal ray for this. So this zone you're seeing right here, let me delete this too. So this zone you're seeing right here, somewhere between this zone and here, in between somewhere here and here and here. Okay, so in between this zone I've been looking out for a sell opportunity. I mean, for the past like 3 or 4 weeks I've been looking out for a sell opportunity somewhere below here. I missed this move when it actually happened, and the next one I was hoping to happen was after this red candle. This it's fairly I mean, full bearish engulfing. Okay, but it was looking promising. I was hoping the market was actually going to be crashing from here, but clearly that didn't happen and I wasn't in the trade. But the market has only given us a very high probability setup here, which is like a very good double top after doing what looks like a liquidity grab. Okay, so let's do a 4 hours. Let me show you how my entry will likely be on this particular pair. So GBP USD, like I said, bearish on GBP USD. So if you look at this, trend line has been obeyed multiple times here, and the market is back to this zone. So my bias is sell. So what I'm actually looking to happen is for this trend line to actually be broken. I'm looking for this trend line to be broken, and I need a break and close, a 4-hour break and close below this to show me that the trend line is, has been invalidated. A better, more juicy entry will be if this support too is also broken and the market like gets to somewhere here. That will really be excellent, like very excellent. I'll now wait for a retracement. If we natural retracement to, let's say, a 50% retracement, or maybe to a 38.2, this might likely not get to a 61.8 retracement. Okay, so if I get a 50% or 38.2 retracement, which will likely coincide with the trend line, the trend line now becomes a resistance, right? So I will be looking for entries somewhere here. okay, to push this market all the way back to this zone. So there's a lot of pips, I mean, up for grabs here. If this actually happens, we're looking at about 260 pips thereabout in the market drop, if the market actually drops from this trend line. Okay, if my analysis actually works out the way I will. So I'm looking for this trend line to be broken. Once it's broken, we get a break and close below this trend line, and also hopefully this support right here. I'm actually looking for a sell opportunity. So GBP USD is a sell, guys. It's a sell opportunity for you guys next week. Okay, so let's look at AUD USD is another one that was I've been eyeing this zone right here. I've been eyeing this zone, as you can see, and on a 4 hours, you can clearly see this looking like a very amazing double top situation right here. So of course the market has moved him. Of course this market needs, you can agree with me, this market needs breathing space. So you can't just, my next target is somewhere here. But of course this market will not just fall like this. Okay, the market will likely on Monday just retrace to to a Fibonacci zone before moving. Let me draw this very much better for you guys. So the market will likely retrace to a Fibonacci level before moving. So we're looking at the 38.2 or 50%, in which case if it retraces to any of them and gives me my entries, I'm definitely going bearish on the AUD USD. So let's move on to AUD CAD. AUD CAD is another currency pair that's looking very promising next week. So we've been on this slow grind. We've just been slowly grinding, and I'm hoping that this is the next possible zone that this market will likely be coming through somewhere here, in between the zone. Let me use, I don't like giving you guys examples with triangles and rectangles, sorry. I try to use horizontal rays so you guys can see the whole zone. So somewhere in between here. So this is definitely where I'm hoping that this market is likely headed to. Okay, so I'll just wait for a little retracement. Once I see a retracement to a very significant Fibonacci level by the time the market opens, so I'm just waiting for a retracement to actually happen to somewhere around the zone. Okay, let me draw this zone out for you guys. This zone I'm talking about, somewhere here. If this market returns to this zone, which has been tested as a support, a resistance also. So if this market retraces to this point and gives me my kind of entry patterns, the same entry patterns I teach at the academy here, for my students. Okay, so if I get my entries somewhere here, I'm willing to sell this market all the way down. Okay, so that's my analysis on the AUD CAD. So let's move over to NZD-JPY. NZD-JPY is another pair that I look forward to actually trading this week. I'm looking forward to go bearish on the NZD-JPY. The general outlook on the daily time frame is actually looking bearish, because this is like the last resistance zone. Okay, and it's clearly not broken from what we can see. The market tested it last week and it gave us a very clear resistance here. So I'm hoping that this resistance here is actually very strong to push this market all the way down. So if that is so, we're looking at 3 zones to take our profit. The first here, the second here, and the third here. Okay, so there's a lot of space to the downside. Okay, so if this market actually, let's go on 1 hour. Let's see whether we see something interesting on 1 hour. Okay, if this market is able, let me draw a trend line here. If this market is able to break below this trend line, okay, I'm actually going, I'll be selling this market. Okay, that's just what I'm looking out for. But it's already looking good for a sell. If we actually also get a retracement of this market to a very significant Fibonacci level, somewhere, let's say somewhere here, somewhere around 61.8 level, which will coincide with this support right here. So that's the zone. So if I get a retracement to somewhere around this 83.27 level, I'll clearly be selling this market. Okay, either ways. So my bias on NZD-JPY is actually a sell. Okay, so gold is another currency pair. I've crushed gold like 3 consecutive Saturdays, 3 consecutive weekend for you guys. I've been crushing gold. All my analysis I've been giving you guys on gold has been spot on. Okay, I told you guys last week that this market is headed, it's clearly headed to this last year, sorry, this one here. That is this market. I told you guys that this market is heading to this last year high. Okay, and gold, as of when I did this analysis for you guys, I even drew this line for you guys, was somewhere here. This was when I did the analysis on sorry, I think it was this red candle, right? This was when I did the analysis for you guys on, you know, last week. Okay, I told you guys that this is where gold is eyeing. Gold is eyeing the zone here. And what happened on Thursday? Gold rallied crazy, hit the exact zone. I mean, just touched the zone I showed you guys last week, and then started crashing down. Okay, so what am I looking at on gold? I'm looking forward to a continuous crash. Definitely, I'm looking for this crash to actually continue, but that will depend on if we break and close below this zone. Okay, so if we break and close below the zone right here, this support right here, if we break and close below this and maybe get a retest and gives me my kind of valid entries, then I'll definitely be pushing this market all the way down. Okay, so this is something I'm actually looking forward to happen this coming week. So gold will likely just keep crashing down because it has hit, I mean, last year high, and previous, this is 2020 high. Okay, so it's definitely bound to like give a very significant reaction. If not for anything, it will actually hopefully retrace to this zone, this 1930.73 zone, before it actually keeps going off that, if at all is actually going to be going up. Okay, because USD has not been that strong, hasn't been giving us a lot of strength to keep this gold from going up. So either ways, my bias on gold is actually bullish. Okay, so before you go, if this is actually your first time and you're yet to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. Then secondly, if you're yet to join our free signal channel, I send signals on this analysis on our free signal channel. So if you're yet to join our free signal group, please, the link will be on the description. It's totally free. The signals are totally free. Join the free signal group. There's a lot to learn. There's a lot of money that we can make from this market, guys. A lot of money to be made. There's a lot of money to go around. Tell my students all the time, there is enough money to go around for every one of us in this market. So join the free signal channel. And if you want to learn how to perform this analysis by yourself, from the comfort of your home, and trade and make money comfortably from the comfort of your home, the same way I've been making for over these years, the Forex mentorship program would be on the link. Okay, click the link, grab the course, grab the program. It's more than a course, it's actually a program, because we do weekly reviews, weekly follow-ups, master classes, and for our students, so that you keep getting better, you keep progressing in your knowledge about Forex, and you keep becoming profitable. Okay, so it's not just a course, one off you just buy and go and do it on your own. We have a community. Once you get the program, we attach a course assistant to you. So any questions, anything at all, feel free to reach out to your course assistant. We also add it to our community of fellow students like yourself. There's a lot of benefit from the Forex mentorship program. So go ahead, grab that program, become profitable in the Forex market. Okay, so cheers till I come your way again. I love you guys. Keep peeping, keep becoming profitable in the Forex market. Keep making money, guys. Cheers.